Hi everyone. It's hard to believe that we are already planning for our closing seminars. And as you can see, I've consolidated everyone's requests. And as we talked about in the opening seminar and again in a following course announcement, the assignments for the different seminars were based on first request and preference. So I have listed the order that the requests came in, and I based your assignment for the different seminars on the order that they were received. So please know that feel free to, if you need to change dates, talk to your classmates about that, but please do let me know if you do change dates. So please review this very carefully. Unfortunately, not everyone was able to get their first request. So I just wanted to share that with you, and these are the final dates and times for the seminars, and they're broken out into the seminar that is December the 3rd at 6 p.m. and these are the students that will be presenting. And this is for December the 4th at 1 p.m. and these are Central Standard Times. And these are the students that will be presenting during that time period. So again, if you need to switch times, please contact your classmates, or if any of you are listed in the first seminar and you can do the second seminar, there are a few students that didn't get their first request, so you may want to just reach out in the discussion board and say, hey, I can actually do my presentation on December the 4th. Is there anyone who would like to switch with me? So again, that's up to all of you. So we're going to have a very diverse docket of presentations, and please keep in mind to go into the course itself, go into course documents, and review the video that does an overview of the rubric for the closing seminar presentations. As far as your visuals, we will be using Zoom primarily, so we can share your visuals, if that's a Prezi or a PowerPoint, whatever method you're using, in the Zoom. And I will kind of highlight on how you can share, or we can do a dry run with Zoom so you feel comfortable sharing, or you can also submit your presentation to me for me to share. I do ask that you do submit all your presentations to me, the visual format, so I can take a look at it as I'm finalizing my grading. So just a couple of real quick housekeeping. We need to be on time for our meetings, and that we need to be very respectful of each other's times, and our presentations need to stick right around 15 minutes, give or take just a wee bit, but we need to make sure that the presentations are timely, because we have several students presenting at each seminar, and when we multiply our student number with 15-minute presentations, we will have quite a period of time hearing presentations. And just know that this is a wonderful opportunity. Students have loved this opportunity to hear each other and hear about that area of expertise that each of you are actually developing or elevating through your presentation and looking at the literature that's out there on your particular area of interest. So if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. I will go through just momentarily on how to kind of share with Zoom, and let me know if you have any questions, or if you want to do a dry run before the scheduled seminar dates, and please give me plenty of notice so we can make arrangements to do so. So hold on. Okay, here we are in our Zoom meeting, and you will notice that there is a toolbar along the bottom, and you will be using this toolbar. When you do log on to Zoom, make sure that you are unmuted, and let me show you. This means mute. Make sure that you're unmuted. And because I'm using a camera to do this recording, I can't use the video while I'm recording, but make sure that you have your video going. So the same holds true. You just need to click on this and it will take that red bar off, and then your video will be working. When it is time to share, you just go down to the same toolbar and you click on Share. So that will bring up what you have open in your computer. So you want to make sure that you have your presentation open and you have it down here across in your toolbar. So for instance, I have our closing seminar Word document, and this holds true if there's a presentation, so that you can click on your presentation and it will bring it up. So when I want to share whatever I want to share that's open on my toolbar that's down below here on my computer, I click on it and say share. So that will bring up the document or the presentation that you have. And the other thing is that at the very top of your toolbar, it will have another toolbar that will indicate the same different options that will have your microphone and your video, as well as the share. So at the very bottom there is a section that, let me show it to you, I'll move mine down, that says stop share. So what you're doing right now is sharing, and when it's time for you, when you're finished with your presentation, all you have to do is press stop share. And it goes away and it goes back to the original. So then the next student, when it's time for them to go ahead and do their presentation, they would click on share. They would click on what they want to share. Click on share. And then do the presentation. And then when finished, click on stop share. So that's all there is to it, but if you want to do a dry run, we can most certainly do that. Or again, if you want to just send the presentation to me, I can share it for you during the Zoom. The thing is, I will then have to click your slides for you, so you would need to let me know when it's time to click your slides. So after we're all done with the Zoom meeting, all you'll need to do is just end meeting, and you're done. So that's relatively simple. So if you have any questions or concerns about doing the Zoom meeting, anything about the closing seminars, please let me know. I want this to be a very good experience for you, and just know that this is a wonderful learning experience that you can share with your classmates and learn from them as well. So it's been a very positive experience in the past. So take care and let me know if you need anything.